Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limpo Mohali. I'm in Mbombela Stadium to witness a Patriot Premiership clash between TS Galaxy and Mamelodi Santos. A game as of two just concluded with a scoreline of 3-2, ensuring that TS Galaxy win today's game. Hey, Rodman Tulani la. Rodman Tulani. Abanye bathu vukile umalambane. Hayi man. Rodman Tulani. Game uyibone njani Rodman yam Tulani?
Igame TS Galaxy namuhla bedlala kakhulu namuhla.
Sure.
Betimisela ukuthi namuhla ifuna win. And I'm very happy ukuthi uBenedict Parker uthi introduceile namuhla ukuthi iTS Galaxy izewina namuhla.
Yeah.
Nakhona futhi iSundowns beyibuya mara iTS Galaxy izamile ukudefenda ukuthi izame ukuthi ithole igoli ukuthi ihlule nge3-2. And then izame kakhulu nami I'm very happy ukuthi iGalaxy be safety ukuthi singabuki ne relegation. Njengamanje safety kakhulu ukuthi next season sokhona ukulungisela amaphutha lawa besinawo yabo. Sokhona ukwalungisela amaphutha la besinawo. And then amaphutha siben besinawo because vele besingena amaplayer kahle. But nami angikho happy kahle because it's lose in Nedbank last week yabo
Against Durban City.
Against Durban City.
Angikho happy.
Yeah, you put man because the 7 million bengifuna vele ukuthi buyela ekhaya. Ukuthi next season sokhona ukudlala ekhaya amaplayer akhona ukugena confidence. Yabo. And then nami ngiyafuna ukuthi TS Galaxy idlale overseas nayo. Bafana bami bagena confidence babona amanye amaplayer ukuthi adlala kanjani because labafana labo basesemancane kakhulu. But I'm very happy iperformance kaMahlambi. Mahlambi udlale kakhulu namuhla. I'm very happy ngaMahlambi. I'm very happy ngambonjani. Ulungisile amaphutha wakhe. Lawo bekahlala wayenda because la iPulukwane udlise kakhulu Ponjana too much. Udlisile because siluzele le final indaba yakhe Ponjana. But ngiyabonga ne support ukuthi abantu baphume ngomningi ukuthi basasupport TS Galaxy. I'm very happy ukuthi na next season kumele baphume kanje ukuthi basasupport la ekhaya ukuthi khona sikhona ukuphumelela ama game lasinawo. And then bangabuki la game amakhulu kuphela. Abethe noma ungadlala ama big game or support because supporters ayidinga vele. Every game bantu bazama ukuthi no because TS Galaxy ama-ticket yawakhipha ama-free ticket nika abantu but abantu bawalahle ama-dustbin bangade stadium just ikhona ukuthi abantu balungise then bakhona ukuthi stadium takhona ukuthi team bafana bagene confidence because nami I'm very happy ukuthi basayine lo mfana wala Spamanda Ngwenya wala
Wasengotini.
wasegame I'm very happy basayine lo mfana wathi Siyanda Kulu wasengotini. I'm very happy ukuthi Sokas naye uzama ukuthi la ekhaya azama ukuthi introduce ukuthi TS Galaxy nayo ikhona ukuthi la ekhaya bengamandla nayo. I'm very happy ngale performance namuhla. I'm very happy ngala ama fans azamile ukuthi asintroduce la ekhaya and then yonke into isharp.
Thulani uma bengakubuta mbuto wokugcina wekuvala lana Thulani the way licembu lidlale ngayo Thulani le season lena licembu ekugqocoteni kwalo silibone introduce abafana labancane. Do you believe next season uma livula licembu angeke nibe nale time frame yokuthi nithi niyabuild nisalungisa lapho nalapho ngenxa yokuthi licembu lesikhathi selivala le season lena lidlalile ngebafana labancane labafana they now have experience, have an insight maybe of ukuthi Patriot Premiership injani, so next season mativulwa TS Galaxy yovele dume yethu.
Yeah, ingaduma if angemphathi wethu angayekela Parker a coach yabo ingavuka because Parker is a coach because Parker ibhola idlalile ujikile overseas. And Parker une skill sonke ukuthi ama player wafundisa ukuthi awatrain kahle ukuthi madoda kumele umnyakade madoda. Ubonile le game le bekuParker beka coach and the coach ukhombisile spirit sakhe ukuthi Sundowns akayisaka. Ubatshelile bafana abantu madoda la kuyadlalwa namuhla kudlalwa yabo because there's a big game. Wonke umuntu bekabone le game ukuthi okay iSundowns tondlula lula but akuzange kube lula indaba kaParker. I'm very happy ukuthi Parker ucoach kahle namuhla. And then kumele amnike coach chairman kumele azama ukumnika ichance ukuthi Parker aqhubeke next season ukuthi introduce abafana because ubuka umdlalo okufana Siyanda Kulu lo wasengodini uParker umfana kaParker umintroduceile ukuthi akhona ukudlala yabo and umfana kaParker lo Parker beka coach iDDC but manje ubuyile lo mfana Siyanda Kulu akhona ukudlala kahle and then performance yakhe ngiyayibona even Spamanda Ngwenya la ngiyambona ukuthi but bangamdrop lo mfana bamgaya ichance ukuthi adlale because ndiyabona the way bayenda ngakhona into nje Sokazi abamgaya ichance lo mfana adlale because bangamqosha yabo because lo mfana sesemncane 19 years yabo sesemncane kakhulu usafuna ugain i-confidence because i-confidence i-team if you hlalise benchini team enjenga Galaxy ifuna ukuhlalise benchini because next season kutabona derby la ekhaya because iKruger United ingenile ku PSL and then vela abalandeli beGalaxy neKruger sizoba sabantu bayi-1 because nami kumele ngendi i-overall leKruger United.
Sure.
Ngibe ngapha both side nala ngithe Galaxy nibe Kruger United. Because i-team la ekhaya kude lengizokwenda vele because ma-team la wangu wonke wala ekhaya. Kude lengokwenda.
Ngibonga kakhulu Thulani isikhathi sakho. Good night Thulani.
Nami ngibonga kakhulu mphathi wami.